Why would you need Google Translate in Google Sheets? I don't know, maybe you're dealing with a spreadsheet from your head office in France, and while you must be superb at your work, you may not be a master in the French language. But wait, don't worry, this is why I am here to help. Hello everyone, I am Aman Rashid from Gadgets 360 and you're watching Office Space, our series dedicated to making your life with Office apps much easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate in Google Sheets. Before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and do hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. This is my sample spreadsheet, so let's get started by entering a word in English. Now I'm going to translate this word into French, and for that first I'll have to select a blank cell. I'll now enter the formula that is equal to Google Translate round brackets open A3, which is the cell I want to translate, comma EN in double quotes, which is the written abbreviation for English and the source language, followed by FR in double quotes, which is the written abbreviation for French and the target language. I'll now close the brackets. You can pause your screens right now to copy the formula. So once I've entered the formula, I will hit enter, and that's it. By doing this, I've just translated English to French by using a simple formula in Google Sheets. Similarly, for whichever cell you want to translate, you can do that by entering the same formula in a different blank cell. Of course, you'll have to alter the formula and change the cell number, source language, and the target language. Let's now take one more example. For instance, let's translate from Spanish to English. So the formula would now be is equal to Google Translate round brackets open A4, comma ES in double quotes, which is the written abbreviation for Spanish, and since we are translating this to English, the target language would now be EN in double quotes. We'll close the bracket and hit enter. That's it, you have just translated from Spanish to English. Apart from this, I'm dropping the written abbreviations for some of the most popular languages in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Of course, this feature works with all the languages that are supported in Google Translate, but just in case the language you're looking for is not in the description below, you can always Google it and find out its written abbreviation. This is how you can use Google Translate in Google Sheets. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and do share this video with others. That's all for this edition of Office Space. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.